Hi guys, my name is Mandy Madden Kelly and I am a beauty connoisseur and the founder and creative director of Pagerie Luxury Pet Accessories. Today I want to show you guys how I incorporate Adobe stock into my creative process to easily come up with the best projects that are easy to edit and fun to incorporate and share with you guys. What's important for me when I start a project like this is to give myself time to get inspired, and I derive my energy and my inspiration from the things that surround me, things I love and things that energize me, such as vintage magazines. Once I know exactly what my visual language is, then I can basically go out there into Adobe stock and search for exactly what I need to actually put it all together. So the first thing that I look for when I start my search is the right music, and the right music is important for me because I love editing my videos to the rhythm of the actual song. So that is where I begin my search process in Adobe stock. To edit the volume level, I click on the stock recording and adjust the level gain to a negative number to create subtle background music. Next, I try to look for transitions that are going to make my scenes really smooth. I love using vintage transitions such as this VHS tape static to create sharp but interesting cutaways. Using the motion graphic templates, you can customize and create your own title cards and transitions. I love changing the fonts and colors to match my video's aesthetic. For this makeup tutorial, I'm going to keep things minimal with a sleek, neutral graphic. I also love adding line art as overlays. I absolutely love the fact that I can go to one single place and find almost everything I need, from music, transitions, line art, graphics, and anything that I would need to ensure that my project and my final product I create is cohesive, clear, and still simple and fun for you guys. And now, here's my final beauty tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with you all my highly requested video of my white graphic eyeliner that I actually did for New York Fashion Week last year. So I'm going to start off with my eyebrows. I am just going to brush them up and then I'm just going to slightly fill them in. Awesome. And now I'm just going to set them in place using my brow gel. I'm going to take my eyebrow and place a little line over here. And now I'm going to go back and trace the bottom of this line to the shape of my eye. And then I'm going to do the same with the top part of this little flick. Perfect. And now I'm just going to fill it in. All about having fun and just elevating your look. And that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you. So just to recap everything that we've done to create this fun and simple project. First, I sought out inspiration and used it to conceptualize what my beauty tutorial would be about. Next, I pulled the stock assets to use throughout my tutorial. Finally, I used Premiere Pro to combine the assets together to create one seamless video. Thank you so much for watching, and remember you can check out more tips for editing with other episodes of the Make It Happen series on Adobe Creative Cloud's YouTube channel.